Hey everybody, it's Dietitian Jacqueline. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to take you along to just make a simple dinner for my family of 4. We're making a Mediterranean style chicken. It's a one pot meal or one pan meal. I love these for busy work days or really any time, to be honest with you. This is perfect if you are following any type of plan for fat loss. You can add in carbs if you want. You can leave them out. Either way, it's so good. So let's get cooking. If you're on a fat loss journey, there's this huge misconception that you have to go with just like plain skinless chicken breasts. Chicken thighs offer a lot of flavor and it's totally okay to add them in. So we're just gonna mince up our garlic and our parsley. Now season up your thighs with plenty of kosher salt, black pepper, cumin, as well as Italian seasoning. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and now we're gonna add in our garlic and parsley mixture and just get really in there and massage all of that goodness into your chicken. Now I add onions to just about every dish, so go ahead and chop up an onion. We're just gonna put that on the top of our chicken, pop that into a 450-degree oven for just about 15 minutes. You can prep your other ingredients like your olives while that's baking up. Now let's move on to our tomatoes. I'm using a canned diced tomatoes. I decided to strain the liquid because I wasn't sure how saucy I wanted this to be. So I went ahead and added the diced tomatoes to the top of my chicken, and then I decided, you know what, I do want it to be a little bit more saucy, so I added the rest in there. Now you're gonna pop this back into the oven to finish cooking your chicken, then top it with your artichokes, your Kalamata olives, and your parsley, and you have an amazing savory dinner that the whole family is gonna love. Enjoy.